Hey guys, it's LT with LT Fit here, coming to you with my new series called Do You Need a Health Coach? In this series, I'm going over different things that will qualify you for definitely needing some health coaching. Okay, now today I'm talking about people that work out in the gym and still not seeing results. Maybe you're doing it for a few months. I mean, you at least want to give yourself 3 months to see if you're actually getting results before you assume that you need to change something. So if you've been working out for 3 months and you haven't been getting results, you probably need a health coach because more than likely something going on with your nutrition. So, I offer health coaching services. In addition, you can check out anywhere else that offer health coaching services, but you definitely probably need a health coach if you've been working out 3 days a week and you're still not seeing results for at least 3 months. You probably need some health coaching. You probably need some help with nutrition. So now I offer nutrition on a group setting. I just started my group online health coaching program for people that's looking for help. In addition to I do one-on-one health coaching help. So you can check the links below and see if one of those work for you. And of course, if you have any other questions, just reach out to me and let me know. But definitely you need some health coaching if you're working out 3 days a week for 3 months or more and not seeing no results. Something in your nutrition probably needs to change. So check me out either for group health coaching or for one-on-one. I would love to help you. Have a great day.